Saturday, guys, Bongani will be on another special press throwing shots back to the sender, guys. So go comment on your creators' videos and tell them that you want them on a one-on-one video, because Bongani will respond this coming Saturday, and then on the next Saturday, FEZELA will respond on another video. Does that will that, guys, will be the conclusion there? Amen. Say amen. It's your boy. Kopanosha aka Kopi say the insane, the killer of the hate. If you give me beef, I'll probably give you a steak. You can call me Mr. No. Alright guys, in today's video, we're just talking, guys. We're just talking. I've heard rumors saying this coming Saturday, guys, Bongani will be on another special press throwing shots back to the sender, guys. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button to get notified. Okay, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop. So guys, let me not waste your time. Guys, let me not waste your time and get into details, guys. So yeah, subscribe, man. I'm begging you. Please subscribe. I know you don't support me. You want the story, but please subscribe. I'm going to give you more. Shout out to you who subscribe. Thank you.
Press subscribe more, man.
So yeah, guys, back at it again. So guys, I wanted to ask, like, I know everyone wants like the one-on-one Bongani versus FEZELA, like there should be a one-on-one, guys. What do you think, guys? Comment down below if you want a one-on-one. We'll try, guys. We'll try to make things happen. We'll try to pay these people. We'll try to do something that's good, guys. We'll try to beg people that have been hosting on the left side and on the right side to do the right thing, guys, because I think everyone needs to see the one-on-one. I think everyone needs to see the one-on-one. They should be given like a 10 minutes time, guys. Throw shots, because these people, guys, most of you, I know you don't know, most of these people stay in the same street, like I'm staying here in Katlehong, like in Tlapo, and you also staying in Tlapo too. They are staying like not far away, not like a 5 minutes walk away, guys, but they are beefing. I don't know if they are beefing for real or what's happening, guys, but I know you do know, and I know you can tell like your creators to do whatever you want, guys. If you can stick with me, guys, and go comment on your creators' videos and tell them that you want them on a one-on-one video, because Bongani will respond this coming Saturday, and then on the next Saturday, FEZELA will respond on another video. Does that will that, guys, will be the conclusion there? There won't be any conclusion, guys. So my conclusion or my solution to you all, guys, we all need a one-on-one, guys. We all, yeah, you see, if there's a one-on-one, I'm sure everyone will pull up. They could maybe make money from it, like sell tickets, host a show whereby everyone will be like accommodated and like have a space to see or to watch, because these people have like so much motion, guys. If they host like that, they will be filled with people, like the event will be filled. So guys, I'm not trying to waste your time. I'm trying to get to all the details that I have with you, guys. So yeah, this coming Saturday you will be watching Bongani dissing FEZELA. This coming Saturday you will be seeing more. You know, the ice is about to break, guys. The ice is about to break and the show is about to start. So subscribe for that, man, because I'm coming with hot news. I'm coming with hot ass news, guys. I'm not hating anyone. I'm not faving anyone. I heard the comments, yeah, you support FEZELA, guys. I'm a content creator. It was just my opinion, okay? I'm sorry, guys, that you are hurt and stuff. You are saying bad things about me. I'm so sorry, guys, because I'm doing this for you all. if you don't support me, I'm nothing without you guys. I'm not, to be honestly, isilungu guys, it's because you don't subscribe. To be honestly guys, no, I'm nothing without you. I need your subscription. I need you to take me to 1K subscribers. I will get you like daily news guys. So keep supporting me. Don't ever fall back guys. Umsangano, ubongani. That's the story of another day. I know everyone is dying to see a one-on-one. I know everyone is dying to see a one-on-one. We need one-on-one. Guys, I'm telling you guys, YouTubers are nothing without viewers and subscribers, guys. Okay, we don't concentrate on the numbers like that much. Like, I want like 10 million views. Creators don't concentrate on numbers. Even me, I don't concentrate on numbers. I get like 4K views, but having like 170 subscribers. Like, but I'm still doing this. I'm putting more effort for those who watched my videos, who didn't subscribe to subscribe. I'm giving them like a reason to subscribe on my channel, guys, because you can't support a person who you don't know. But I'm begging you to support me. If it's your first time watching, or if it's your first time on my channel, guys, please subscribe. I'm begging you because we're trying to get that 1K subscribers. Anyway, 100K, we want that flag posted here, guys. Want that flag. Anyway, let me get back to the detail, guys. You know we want one-on-one. Go tell your creators on the comment section that you want a one-on-one. They will make a plan for you, even if they don't get along, but they will make a plan for you. If they can negotiate, like, okay, Kagiso Mkhulisi, I'm not saying Kagiso must approach Smiley or Smiley must approach Kagiso. You fans, you must tell them. They are your people, They are your people. You must tell them that, hey, we want a one-on-one. Yeah, we want a one-on-one, otherwise I'm not trying to cause tension or try to do something. This is my hustle too. I'm so sorry if like I'm offending you. Man, I watch everyone's content. I'm not beefing with anyone. I'm not doing anything. I don't know if they are beefing or doing what. But the one-on-one thing, I'm serious about it, guys. If you can just like tell them like we want the one-on-one on comment section, just comment. Even if you can comment 100 times, we want one-on-one. Bongani versus FEZELA. We want one-on-one. And see, guys, this must have a conclusion, guys. This must have a conclusion. Maybe one day we'll have like a one-on-one. Maybe one day, maybe someday, we don't know. But guys, thank you for watching till this far, guys. I'm also going to do something about this, guys. I'm going to text them. Now I'm going to text them and tell them we want the one-on-one. We want the one-on-one. I'm going to post on TikTok. Why? We want the one-on-one. We want the one-on-one. Guys, support me. If you haven't followed me on TikTok, go follow me. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe. Subscribe is for free, guys. If you don't have an account, just create an account. Just sign in. It's like a login on Facebook. It's like a login on YouTube. You are logging in. You have an account just to watch. You can like, you can share, you can follow. Follow on YouTube means subscribe. You can follow me on YouTube. It's a subscription. You're subscribing to my channel. So guys, let me not waste your time. English is hard, guys, but I'm trying. I'm doing this for y'all. I'm cooking. I will be cooking like a special pair soon, guys. We'll host a special pairs for y'all. I hope you will support me. I will try to bring like a favorite, guys. I don't know when, I don't know who, but I will try to bring one of your favorite guys. I'm going to spend, because I love content, guys, I'm going to spend on it. So guys, make sure you follow and support me through this journey. Make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I okay, guys, thank you for watching till this far, guys. You are appreciated. You means a lot to me. I know I talk too much. I do live videos on TikTok, on Facebook, on Twitch, on Instagram. Like, I'm a talkative person, and my lives are so I have numbers. So if you are bored, go on Twitch, search Kopano Shai. Follow me on Twitch. Go on TikTok, search Kopi Insane. Follow me. Go on Facebook, Kopano Kopi Shai. Follow me. Go on Instagram, Kopi_SA. Follow me, guys. We're going to be big. 2025 is ours. Let's close it with a prayer. prayer of subscription. I'm sure you will subscribe as I'm praying. I love you all, guys. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you on the next video, Saturday's video, Kagiso Kulis's video.